Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can use Google Maps in Carplay, so let's get right into it. I'll be using this here tutorial that you see on my screen because I do not have Carplay, nor do I use an Apple device, so I'll be explaining through this, and I hope you guys understand, and I hope you guys will be able to follow everything perfectly. There's not many steps, there's 6 steps, and it's quite simple to follow, so let's go over these steps right now. So the first step, of course, is to update your iPhone or whichever iOS device you're using to the latest version of iOS, preferably iOS 17 or later. Then you need to update or download the Google Maps app in case you have an update queued up and if you haven't done it recently. Then once everything is done, you can go into Settings, General, and CarPlay on your iPhone and select your car, and if it doesn't show up, you'll have to connect your phone to that car first. Then you just need to tap on Customize and you'll see a list of apps. Here you can find Google Maps, and you can very easily add it that way. If you don't want it to be on page 2 or 3 of your car display, you can just drag it over to the first page or higher up on the list as you would any other app. Then plug your iPhone into the USB port on your car, and if you use your dashboard display, you can use it to connect wirelessly if you have that option, and then the interface should appear automatically. Then you just need to tap on Google Maps and you can set your destination pretty much as you would on Apple Maps, and that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.